What's up, pizza lovers? Pizza Channel Kevin here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fire roasted tomato sauce. This is so delicious. You can make it in your Ooni or any other high heat oven. You can make it in a broiler. It's so good. It's really good on pizza, on pasta. You could use it as a dipping sauce for your bread. You're really going to love it. Let's get started. I'm going to head up to my rooftop garden and grab as many fresh tomatoes as I can. I have these Jersey Devil tomatoes growing. They are similar to a Roma tomato. Romas are typically your best option for sauces, but you can use any tomato you have. I'm also going to add some cherry tomatoes into the mix. They will give it a nice rich flavor. You can make this sauce with any combination of tomatoes you want. I've done all cherry tomatoes. It would be good with all Romas, but use whatever you have. Pretty decent haul here. This will get me through 2 smaller pizzas. First thing I'm going to do is wash these off. Next, I'm going to pick any leaves off and cut off any damaged spots on the Jersey Devils. I also like to take the skin off the bigger tomatoes. You can just peel it, which I'll be doing, but there are other methods like giving them a quick roast or boiling them to get the skin off nice and easy. Okay, I have my tomatoes ready to go in my cast iron pan. I'm adding a clove of chopped garlic, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, a generous pinch of pepper, and a generous pinch of salt. I'm going to pop my cast iron pan into the Ooni. I have the flame lowered a bit to medium. I am going to roast these for 5 to 10 minutes. We want to cook down the juices a bit and get a nice char. Let's take a look after about 5 minutes. These tomatoes can definitely roast a bit longer. Back in the oven for a few more minutes. Let's pull them out. Yep, that's what we're looking for. Place your pan on something that's heat safe and start mashing up the tomatoes. Leave it as smooth or as chunky as you like. I like it smooth. Be careful you don't get hit with any hot tomato juices. After I'm done, I'm going to add a handful of fresh basil leaves. Oh yeah, this sauce looks amazing. I'm going to throw this on a pizza and try it out. I'm doing a Neapolitan New York style hybrid dough on this one. I'm just going to add mozzarella, parmesan, and Romano cheese to this pie. This thing is ready for the oven. I drop the flame on the Ooni to medium, and we'll cook this about 2.5 to 3 minutes. Let's pull it out, and this thing is looking very Instagrammable, if I must say. All right, let's try it out. The depth of fresh flavor is just so good here. You get a little bit of a smoky char taste from that fire roasting. I really love this. This is so fresh. This was so easy to do. I can't wait to do this again. I hope those tomatoes keep growing. See you next time.